you. ఈ రోజు హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ పోలీస్ సెంట్రల్ జోన్ తరఫు నుంచి ఈ జాబ్ కనెక్ట్ మేళా ఇది ఎంత మంచి రెస్పాన్స్ వచ్చింది. ఇది ఎంత సంతోష కారణం అందరికీ. ఈ ఒకేజన్ లో నేను గెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆనర్ శ్రీమతి ఉమా చిగుర్పాటి గారికి వెల్కమ్ చేస్తున్నాము. అండ్ సిటీ పోలీస్ తరఫు నుంచి we express our sincere gratitude to you, ma'am, for encouraging all of us and contributing to nation building in this way. I also express my gratitude to my dear friend Shri T. Muralidharan Garu, Chairman TMI Group, whose passion for uplifting the society has been a great pillar of strength for all of us. Whenever Hyderabad City Police is seeking some help, some guidance, Muralidharan Garu is always there, always there. I also express our sincere thanks to Shri Peter Ballam Garu, CAO of Times of TMI Group, all my police officers here, led by the Joint Commissioner of Police, Vishnu Prasad, Ramna Reddy Garu, Venu, all police officers, and most important, all the young boys and girls who are stepping into a new phase of life, and all the companies which are providing this opportunity. Friends, ee roju oka manchi roju undi, Guru Purnima undi. Guru Purnima ante మన లైఫ్లో వాట్ ఎవర్ గుడ్ థింగ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ రెస్పెక్టివ్ గురూస్. సో ఈ ఒకేజన్లో మీ తరఫు నుంచి, అందరి తరఫు నుంచి ఐఎమ్ కన్వేయింగ్ మై గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ టు ఆల్ అవర్ టీచర్స్, ఆల్ అవర్ గురు ఫర్ దిస్. గురు గురించి ఒక ఉపనిషత్లో ఒక కోట్ ఉంది, తమసో మా జ్యోతిర్గమయ. Someone who takes us from darkness to light. And in present situation lo, modern world lo, Guru ki definition chala vast aindi. I will consider people like Miss Uma as Guru because she creates opportunities. And the way she has presented herself and her company as a role model, that is also an inspiring role of a Guru. I was so happy that so many ladies were coming and receiving the papers from her. Nothing is more important than setting an example as a true inspirator. So thank you so much, Uma Garu. Not only in her individual capacity, but also as FICCI Flow, she has motivated hundreds and thousands of people. And I also expect her, I request her, particularly Flow, that madam, you know that last 2 years, Hyderabad City Police has been recruiting 33% of women officers. All vacancies, 33% goes to women officers. So I request you to come and motivate our women officers. What is most important is confidence building, skill will come definitely. So I will seek your assistance, guidance in this regard. Friends, the present world law, competitive world law, growth of an organization, whether it is government organization like police or whether it is private organizations, personal, a big company like Renewal India, the growth of an organization is not done by just individual effort. It requires great team building. Whether it is a crisis which we are facing for last 1.5 years, the corona crisis, or whether it is heavy rain, flood, it requires immense background work. And that is why to all the young boys and girls, I would urge each one of you that apart from the acquiring of skill which you will be having in your first company, acquire the skill of team building. the strength of you as an individual and the strength of you as a collective group will become manifold if you have a very good team. And that is how I would say India sometimes lack in that. And all the opportunities may come and go. Some of opportunities may be excellent for you, some opportunities may not be very appealing to you. But every opportunity will be a good teacher for you. Learn from every opportunity. In our police department, we always keep talking to our officers. As you know, on an average 3,000 to 5,000 constable officers every year are recruited. And we keep spending a lot of resources in them for their human resources, for their behavioral changes, for team building. And we keep telling them certain things which I would like to share with each one of you. We tell them that be strong, but never be rude. Be humble, but never be timid. Be proud, but never be arrogant. Be kind, but never be weak. This is what we keep telling our officers, and I think it applies to every organization. Similarly, initially first 5-7 years, in any career one will have lot of doubts. Sometimes we'll also have lot of mistakes. But it is always better, making mistake is always better than faking perfections. Never hesitate in taking an initiative. Sometimes it may succeed, sometimes it may not. But always be there. And organization like TMI, they have taught the city police in so many ways. And all the young generation of police officers for the last 5-7 years, they are really indebted to Mr. Muralidharan for the support. I would request all the companies, the representatives who have come here, that your contribution in making the city grow and grow is immense. Nothing is more important in this world than economic development. Everything comes out of that. Once there is more economic development, there is more tax collection. Once there is more tax collection, there is more welfare activities by the government. When there is more welfare activities, the entire society grows and the country becomes strong. So this Red Rose function place where we have gathered, it looks a small thing, but it contributes in a big way in nation building. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Can you hear me? Yeah, thank you. A very special welcome to Anjani Kumar ji. He's been a very close friend, and every time I meet him, I'm beginning to admire him a little more. A person whom I personally known to be always available 24/7 to the citizens of Hyderabad on any issue. But when it comes to job fair, he finds more time than he finds for anything else. And I think that reflects his heart. And my first thanks and welcome is to Anjani ji. Second person is who's sitting there is Uma Sigurupati. She comes from a very distinguished family of pharmaceutical company entrepreneurs. I don't know, many people may not know Granules India is one of the largest world's largest producer of some pharmaceutical ingredients. But more importantly, today she is here as the chairperson of Flow. And I'll request her to speak a little more about Flow. But Umaji is also, her heart is in the right place. And I'm very glad to invite Umaji also for this event. I want to talk about three small things which is important. Why jobs? I think many of us don't know how important jobs is in somebody's life. You ask somebody, what are you doing? First thing they'll say, I'm working in this company. Our self-esteem, who we are, comes from where we work. Supposing you say, I don't have a job. Everybody looks at you very funnily. What's wrong with this guy? He doesn't have a job. So job is very, very important to each of us in our life. We did a lot of discussion with parents. We asked a lot of parents, what is your biggest worry? All parents will say, I have children, children should go to school and study well. Then we ask them what happens after that. They should not only study well, they should go to a college, very good college like IIT, engineering college. Then we say what happens? Then they must get a job and settle down. So job is the ultimate destination of every parent. Every parent in this room who's sitting outside, their desire is the children should get a good job. And therefore, the greatest contribution we can make, the police, Umaji, for sponsors, TMI group can do is to provide a job to somebody. And I can tell you, the first job is the toughest to get. Very easy to get a second and third job. So when job fairs are those places where people get their first jobs, or sometimes they have lost the job, they're without a job, they come here. So jobs are important, job fairs are important. And we are very happy, TMI group is very happy to be part of that. Now second question, why police? And here I would like to remind all of us here, the DGP Mahendra Reddy Garu, and at that time he was the police commissioner and the DGP at that time. They were together, first thought of this police initiative as a citizen initiative. All of us think police is the place to go only when somebody, police van comes to your house and picks you up. None of us want to walk into a police station. We all have imagery. They are harsh, difficult, they are heartless. All kinds of statements are made, and Hindi movies and Telugu movies make it even worse. But this is the reality of the modern police. And I want everybody to recognize that Hyderabad police is setting up a new example. What policing is all about. Policing, first of all, is about caring for people. And I think that is the demonstration here. So I'm very, very happy and delighted that our partners, Hyderabad Police, is taking us to new levels. Let me tell you, I've done job fairs across the country. I've done in UP, we have done in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, everywhere. But today, I can say this is probably the best job fair I've ever attended. It's beautiful setting, wonderful weather, 24 employers, every student, and this is important, every job seeker should be treated with dignity. Because when they don't have a job, I said earlier, people look at your parents, don't treat their children well. So today, they have a seating arrangement, we have provided for everybody else who can sit here, drink some water, look for a job. So the dignity of job seeking is something we established today, and again, 99.99% goes to police and 1% balance goes to Umaji Group Party with the sponsor for this event, and I want to thank both of them for this. The last portion is the employer. We should never forget the role of the employer. We all get together, one day we spend time together and get them a job. But it is the employer who pays money, salary, month after month. They groom them. Many of us who have taken the first job will never forget the first employer, because the first employer changes our life. So I want to thank the 24 employers who come here, and they come time after time. Every one of our job fairs, employers come in large numbers. And I want to thank them, and they are the heart of the job fair. If there are no employers, there is no job fair. And lastly, as our additional DCP said, this is for the youth of India. I've always said, the youth of India, on one side, they are lucky to be born here at this time, because every one of us have realized our future depends on our youth. We want to do something for the youth. Everybody here in this room have come, we have achieved a lot of things in life, but we came back here to do something for the youth. So youth are the future, and I am very glad that we could do this for them. But I have only one message for the youth. The most important attitude we need to have is sense of gratitude. We must be grateful to the employer, you must be grateful to your parents, and you must be grateful to all of us, police, etc., who organized this event. Thank you very much.
कनेक्ट मेला का यहाँ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हुआ रेड रोज फंक्शन हॉल में। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, हैदराबाद सिटी पुलिस के तरफ से पिछले कई सालों से ये जॉब कनेक्ट मेला लगभग हर दूसरे महीने होता है, जिसमें कि हैदराबाद और बाहर की बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां अपने वैकेंसी के मुताबिक रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए अपने HR मैनेजर्स, रिक्रूटर्स को यहाँ भेजते हैं, और हैदराबाद सिटी पुलिस के तरफ से एक तरह से सप्लाई और डिमांड को मैच करते हुए लगभग 3 से 4 हज़ार यंग बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स को जॉब मिलता है। इस मौके पे आज ग्रैन्यूल इंडिया के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर उमा चिकुरपाटी मैडम गारू, टीएमआई ग्रुप के चेयरमैन और सभी कंपनीज के एचआर टीम के हेड को मैं सिटी पुलिस के तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं और जो नए यंग बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स हैं उनको सिटी के तरफ से गुड विशेस అండ్ కంగ్రాచ్యులేషన్స్. తర్వాత బోనాలు గురించి అన్ని బందోబస్తు అరేంజ్మెంట్ జరుగుతుంది సిటీలో. నిన్న సింహవాహిని లాల్ దర్వాజాలో నేను స్వయంగా విజిట్ చేశాము. తర్వాత మొన్న సికింద్రాబాద్లో ఉజ్జయిని మహాకాళీలో కూడా ఒక కోఆర్డినేషన్ మీటింగ్ జరిగింది. సో అన్ని టెంపుల్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్, భక్తులు, పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కలిసి ఈ మంచిగా ప్రశాంతంగా జరుగుతుంది. ఈ సందర్భంలో నేను సిటీ పోలీస్ తరఫు నుంచి అన్ని డివోటీస్కి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాను. మహాకాళి గోల్కొండలో, తర్వాత ఉజ్జయిని మహాకాళి సికింద్రాబాద్ అండ్ లాస్ట్లో లాల్ దర్వాజా పాతా బస్తీలో అన్ని పూజ ప్రతిరోజు జరుగుతుంది. నిన్న నేను స్వయంగా ఓల్డ్ సిటీ కూడా విజిట్ చేశాను, లాల్ దర్వాజా. మొన్న ఉజ్జయిని మహాకాళి టెంపుల్ కాంప్లెక్స్లో ఆర్గనైజింగ్ కమిటీ తర్వాత లోకల్ పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్ తోటి మీటింగ్ కూడా జరిగింది. అన్నీ ప్రశాంతంగా జరుగుతుంది. ఈ సందర్భంలో నేను పబ్లిక్కి రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము, తప్పకుండా మాస్క్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇది మీ సేఫ్టీ, మీ సెక్యూరిటీ కోసం చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్.